So I don't know why it's taken me so long to realize that I should make this video. I have been using MyEducator for over 10 years, and I can never go back to a regular textbook or a packet or some ensemble of tools. I should say this is not a sponsored video. I'm doing this because I love MyEducator and the product they've produced for university textbooks and courses. So for all of my information systems professors out there and professors teaching other courses outside of information systems, maybe go give MyEducator a look. In this video, I just want to show you this book that I've helped create for the Introduction to Information Systems course. This course is so difficult to keep up with. Technology is changing constantly, and so we found that a textbook just couldn't work. We needed something we could change and edit in real time without having to wait for the publisher. MyEducator lets me do that. And so this book that I use and that many professors from many universities use is updated regularly between semesters and even has small course content corrections during the semester. It also covers the most current topics. So you can see over here on the right, our second chapter is about artificial intelligence. We cover concepts, database, development, analytics and visualization, and web development. And we take a fairly technical approach. While there are concepts taught in every chapter, the bulk of concepts are taken care of up front, and then we get right into development. So the first thing you should know is that the textbook has a chatbot built into it, so you can talk with the textbook. I can ask it anything. If I go to a specific page, such as information security and privacy, I can ask it something like, what is the CIA triad? And it will look through this textbook and consider its existing knowledge built into the model and give a succinct answer. And then the student can explore more. They can summarize the page they're on. They can get quizzed on the page they're currently looking at. They can change their settings so that it responds in a different language, so that it quizzes them in open-ended questions, so that the responses are more concise or detailed, and many other settings. It will help troubleshoot their code, help teach them to code, and help them study. Every chapter also comes with its own slides, unless it's a purely hands-on chapter. You can use these or build upon them. This book is also built with an interactive glossary, so students can look up any term and find it in the book. Hover over any term and see its definition. Click on the AI tool next to any term and learn more about it, and then explore more deeply. They have infinite practice quizzes, and the quizzes and homeworks are built into the book directly. Each major chapter has a project associated with it. These are hands-on projects, and each major chapter has a conceptual quiz associated with it, and each section has its own reading quiz. There are also videos built right into the book. Let's go look at some. For example, if we're learning VBA, here are some video tutorials. Embedded right in the book. There are practice materials built right in. The students can highlight. They can have it narrate and talk to them. It can read the book to them. They can build flashcards and keep a notebook. And the professor can manage grades and export them, manage their assessments and all the settings associated with them, including automated late penalties, retakes, and things like that, and determine what they want the AI to allow or disallow when interacting with this book. They can also get analytics on every assessment. The list goes on and on. There is so much you can do with this MyEducator platform. But I thought I'd show you this, introduce it to you, in hopes that this will help. I was just at a conference, and many professors were complaining that it's hard to teach this intro course in a scalable way. Well, this book is completely self-contained, pre-built, and all of the assessments are graded without instructor or TA intervention. They are automatically graded. So this is a plug-and-play course. So although this is perhaps somewhat self-serving, I hope this helps somebody. I hope this is a good fit for your needs in your Introduction to Information Systems course. If you have any questions about it, feel free to reach out to me. I do respond to every email, every comment on every video, usually within 24 hours. Well, hope this helps.